How to remove your account from Apple Music. To remove your account from Apple Music, first of all, simply open Settings, tap on your name from the very top of the screen, then tap on Subscriptions. If you have an Apple Music subscription tied to your account, select the Apple Music subscription from here, then simply cancel the subscription over there. Second way, your Apple Music account is your Apple ID itself. So as long as you have your Apple ID, you'll have the Apple Music account. But if you want to sign out of the Apple Music app, then what you do is instead, you tap on your Apple ID profile, and from there, go to the option called Media and Purchases. Then here you can just tap on the option called Sign Out. So when you sign out from here, you'll also be signed out of your Apple Music. If you don't believe me, if you go to this View Account section, one of the accounts over there will be Apple Music. So when you select Sign Out from there, you'll also be automatically signed out from your Apple Music application. So you can see Apple Music has access to it. So you can go there and tap on Media and Purchases and sign out from here to sign out or remove your account from Apple ID or Apple Music, sorry. So I hope the video helped you out. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.